Alright, we are at the Amache Japanese Internment Camp here. It's kind of a wide open, just prairie. Apparently there's like some foundations of buildings and there's a few like buildings that they've rebuilt to make it look like it used to, 80 years ago. But we're just going to check it out. We're in extreme southeast Colorado, taking the long way back to OKC. But here we go. Let's see what we can find. Well, it's just kind of crazy that that stuff existed 80 years ago and it's still like on the books as like real laws. Like that stuff was never overturned, so it is technically still on the books. Which is why it's important to teach history, I guess. But and if you're ever in that area, you should definitely stop because it's well worth learning about that stuff and how we treated Americans. So anyway, now we're at the Santa Fe Trail stuff, so more to come. And if this is the end of the video, take it easy out there.